Hey, so if you're getting an APK parse error in LDPlayer when trying to install an app, yeah, that usually means something isn't compatible or got corrupted. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Alright, first, make sure your APK file isn't corrupted. Try downloading it again from a trusted source. A broken file is one of the most common reasons for this error. Next, go to Settings inside LDPlayer, then Security, and make sure Install Unknown Apps is enabled. Without this, APK installs can fail. Now, this one's important. Make sure the APK supports your Android version in LDPlayer. If the app requires a higher version, it won't install. Okay, so go to System Apps, open Settings, then Apps, and find Package Installer. Clear its cache and data. Also, make sure the APK file name doesn't have strange symbols or spaces. Rename it to something simple before installing. If it still fails, try dragging the APK directly into the LDPlayer window instead of using the Install button. Sometimes that works better. If nothing works, create a new instance with a different Android version or update LDPlayer to the latest version. That fixes compatibility issues. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix the APK parse error in LDPlayer. Try them one by one, and your app should install without any issues.